Hi guys, Ken Chigbo, aka KenFX Freak, back with another week roundup and look ahead to the key events. Let's quickly recap last week, right? And the thing I want to start with was the dollar. The dollar, if you look consecutively here, pretty much throughout the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we finished flat, but we were just extending to the upside. Why, Ken? Because markets are now starting to see some safe haven flows. I noted this before about the risks of COVID rising again. We're seeing cases rise throughout Europe and the United Kingdom and implementing new lockdown measures, which is forcing some safe haven flows. That's why the dollar was flying. Now, another big mover last week was euro, and I'm going to show you what I'm looking at in terms of targets, but nice bit of downside here for euro dollar, breaking out of this ascending channel structure. Now, why did we see that? Because the ECB, the European Central Bank, were very dovish. They see downside risks for the Eurozone economy because of rising COVID cases and low inflation. So they're anticipating to take action next month in December. So that's why euro came under pressure. In terms of my view here, had a breakout of that channel up there, as you know, as you can see, a breakout of this flag. Now, I believe we can knock down the lows here of September at 116.15, and then I'll be looking for the price to head to 115.50. Okay, deep within this zone below. We were last down here in July, okay, earlier in the year. Elsewhere, what I'm looking out for, AUD, okay, Aussie dollar as well. This week we have the RBA rate decision, Reserve Bank of Australia. I'm expecting them to obviously slash rates and pump more money into the markets, which is dovish, AUD negative. Look at this pennant structure here. Watch out for a breakout retest, and I'll be looking for the price to start making its way down, breaking down 70.00 and all the way down to 68 at some point over the coming weeks. Same with NZD to follow suit of its counterpart, Australia AUD. Head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Okay, so that technical structure there. In terms of from where we are, we broke out this pennant. Watch out for a breakdown in neckline around 65.35, and then for the price to drop down to 64.00. That's what I'm looking out for. And very lastly, the Canadian dollar is taking quite a big hit at the moment because oil prices are under pressure due to rising COVID cases. Where case of COVID are rising, demand for oil is falling, so prices are going to come down as well. Dollar CAD flag here, breakout retest. Now watch for the price extending to the upside. We need to make ourselves comfortable around this 133.50 area again, and then we'll have room to jump towards 135.00. So that's everything on my watch list. A very busy week this week. US presidential elections, RBA rate decision, the Bank of England rate decision, non-farm payrolls is a lot of data. Thank you very much. Have an amazing one.